When it comes to cyber resilience, many organizations forget to account for the security of the backup ecosystem, which leaves backups, your last line of defense, a vulnerable target. The Druva Data Security Cloud is a fully managed 100% SaaS-based data protection and cyber resiliency platform with built-in measures to not just protect the immutable backups, but the entire environment. The Security Center gives IT and SecOps teams a unified view of backup security posture, making it easier to spot risks and fix issues before they impact recovery. A live cyber resilience scorecard tracks critical controls, reducing blind spots, improving audit readiness, and keeping recovery workflows secure and responsive. Gain real-time visibility into backup risks, including disconnected resources. View all access activity to locate suspicious activity or logins from unknown regions. Understand API access risks and mitigate stale or expired API keys. And see all of the security alerts from data anomalies to threat hunting. With built-in managed detection and response, zero trust platform, and automatic updates and patching, the Druva Security Cloud and the Security Center allow teams to quickly assess and harden their environment.